Alright, so today we're doing a how to reset the oil life on a 22 plus AMG GT53. This should work for the 43, 53, and 63 as long as they have the steering wheel that has the split design like this and not the silver one piece or the three spoke, basically like more like I call this like a split three spoke. So as long as it looks like this will be how to reset the oil life and with this screen. So with this screen right here and the steering wheel. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go to position 2. So that is 1 with just the screen on, 2 cuts on your lights to make sure everything's working. First thing we'll do, we're just gonna go ahead and bypass that. These right here. Alright, the first thing you want to do is press here for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then click OK. And then we're gonna press home again. Make sure we're here. And always make sure when you guys do this is make sure that it is set to trip and you can see the mileage. Scroll to the left. Sometimes you gotta do it a couple times to make sure you get it. Alright, after numerous attempts of trying to get that screen to pop up, so now we got it up. We're just gonna scroll with our OK button right here. Scroll over to the workshop. So you're gonna scroll to the left and look for that. I'm gonna go ahead and press OK. I'm gonna go down to Assist Plus. Press OK. Full service data. Press OK. I'm gonna scroll down to Confirm Service. Press OK. And then all you need now is the oil grade. Alright, and one way to also find the engine oil level, like I said, this car is a 48 volt hybrid AMG GT. So if it goes for I would assume the other 48 volt vehicles Mercedes wise, what you'll do is I'm just gonna back out of it, and then when you go to workshop, I'm gonna press OK. Go to vehicle data just in case you can't do it through the server side menu, which is, let me show you guys, if you can't read it here in this one, you go down to engine oil level. If you can't read it there, press the back button on the steering wheel right here, and you'll press it one more time. Scroll to the left, click on workshop, OK. Press OK on vehicle data, and then you'll scroll down. By the way, if you do go over, it'll let you know. So right now it's 0.9, which is, it's okay, but you can basically just let that burn off over time. You scroll down, you got the VIN, you got just telecomatics, so 15 volts, some other stuff on there. Then you have your 48 volt battery, just certain things, voltage, amperage, the temp of it, and the state of charge. You have some other information, and at the very bottom you do have, so the vehicle engine, the vehicle chassis number, which is the chassis it is, and then the engine that it is right here. So engine style, and I believe there's also 3 variations of the M256. The chassis number, like I said, scroll down one more time, and then you'll see the oil level and then the oil temp. You can, I don't advise, but you can also let the car run, just remove the cap, and also fill it as you go to see where you need to be at. So like I said, you don't have to cut it off and then go through the whole reset of trying to get the workshop menu pop up. Like I say, let the car run, just close the door, keep a window open, and like I said, fill as you go and see where you need it, because it will update in live time. And yeah, that's it. That's how to reset the oil light for the AMG GT53s and the 48 mile hybrid vehicles, about 2022 and up, with the steering wheel that is the split 3 spoke.